getting ready to put in the clasps. So get up here and get it lined up where I want it. And knock the holes. I'm going to pre-drill these holes. My little tool that I use, I can't hold them and just pre-drill them a little bit. Start them in. Okay. Then we'll get this piece on. Let's see about where it needs to go. One thing is to make sure it's even across there. You want to pull down tight because that locks it in. So by pulling it down tight, it's tough to do, but you want it good and even, or actually the first side just a touch lower. Alright, so we're going to take that one out. Pre-drill that one right through the hole. I'm going to go ahead and start this one in and take it back out. Makes it a little easier. So I'm going to start this one in here. These were tricky to put in the first time. Part is making sure you get it tight. So now what I'm going to do is, it's got a spring in it. I'm going to pull it down as tight as I can get it and hold it there and get the arm out of the way and mark that one. The first ones I put in were kind of loose. Didn't get them quite tight enough. By the time I did the fourth one, I knew what I was doing. Take this one. I don't have to restart that one because this one already is. Put it in. Hold it down tight. Loosen it. That's good and tight. Not going anywhere. So I got one more to do. I've already done the center one, and then I can take the clamps off. Well, actually I can take this one off now because that's staying. There's one more down there to do. Then I'll add my braces on here. Then it's ready to be stained or clear coated, and on to the next project. Okay, got a temporary solution. The hole got bigger than I wanted it to because of those beams and everything else, and the stainless steel self-tapping screws kept breaking off. So I finally drilled them out, put stainless steel bolts in it. Got it on a backing, and that's temporary until I can get a piece of aluminum, or until this thing starts to, the background there starts to fail. It's completely sealed all the way around the edges, and that outlet has its own gasket. So one more thing on the checklist done. Back to the Murphy table. For today, I'm putting in the shelf above the separating toilet, and this will be my wardrobe. And I'll probably have shoes and stuff down here. Things I need to get to quickly. Got that locked in. Can't move. Got these drawers done, except the rough sanding and all that stuff. Still got to make doors and all that. But I got to figure a way to keep these in place for now until I get doors on them, because I'll probably be hitting the road in a week. I want to get this skinned up a little bit and some shelves put in it. I got my table almost done, Murphy table. You can see right here there's a piece missing. I ran out of material, so I'm going to have to get some more material. All those holes will have buttons on it. The wooden buttons. Let's close those up. And things are going a little bit faster now. I know I showed you refrigerator down here. Slides right on out. Top opens, no problem. Fruits and vegetables, frozen items, and semi-frozen at the top, I guess. Cold things at the top. So that's ready. I gotta figure a way to hold that in too while I'm on the road. Over here is my heat press for making t-shirts. It slides out because it weighs a ton. Then I can take it out, put it on the bed temporarily, pull my Murphy table down, and I can use it that way. Alright, let's see. Get some of this stuff out of the way here. I wish this camera had a wide lens on it. Okay. The way I designed this is this piece right here actually sits right on here, and these pieces here will stiffen this up so it doesn't warp. You know, all wood warps, but as it dries out even more, and then I'll have another one right here, which like I say I ran out of material. So by pulling this down, the good thing about it, the way I designed it, don't need any legs. No legs under it. And it's very strong. The heavy equipment will be sitting about in the middle, which is over that edge. So that'll support that. So no legs. And right now I've got, I don't know, I've got probably close to 2 feet still clearance area here. Upcoming, I have a 6 switch box going in here, and as you can see the wiring going back. I'll tie all that up later. And I have an LED that's going to be going in over here once I build that. So instead of going from the power switch here all the way up, all the way around the front, and all the way back here, what I did is I just cut a V-groove in the insulation, and then I'll foil tape it up inside the armor. Quick, easy, and a shortcut, using a lot less wire, a lot less time.